大家好. Hello everyone. My name is Kurt. Thank you for joining me as we study and learn beautiful Chinese. The beauty of this channel is that we're all learning together. So, we're going to talk a little bit about food. And like I said, it's regional, so I'm going to read the Northern China. This is a quick guide to Chinese food. Basically, I guess it's describing what the food is like. Hearty, nourishing, and warming dishes are the norm in a part of the country that endures extremely cold winters. The staple is not rice, but wheat and millet, used to make steamed bread, pancakes, noodles, and dumplings. Flavors are robust with lashing of garlic, scallion, peppers, and soy sauce. There is a heavy reliance on preserved vegetables, especially salted, pickled cabbage. The most famous regional dish, Peking Duck, is what it used to be called. A lot of people, I guess, just call it Beijing Duck now. Peking Duck was not invented until the 19th century. Then there's another regional dish that's famous is Mongolian lamb hot pot. That has an older pedigree. Okay. So, just a little bit about Chinese food. That was the northern part of China. That would be Beijing and northeast of that. I'm pretty sure, unless I read something different in another section. Okay, so we have 6 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strokes. It means the first one is sweet or pleasant. The second one is 4 strokes. It's shellfish. The third character is 4 strokes. Ominous or auspicious, or inauspicious. Excuse me. Inauspicious, so the negative of it. The fourth one is district, area, or region. That is 4 strokes. The fifth one is 5 strokes. It means wormwood. The last one is 1, 2, 3, 5 strokes. In order to, because of, according to, so 3 definitions. And let's not forget the bottom. This is part of a sentence, so this really is a phrase. So the phrase of the video. I will read it. It's 请问. And I might do something with my hands just to show you, because the Chinese language, excuse me, I don't need those anymore. The Chinese language has tones. So I might do something with my hands. So we'll do that. So 请问. So 请问. There are 4 tones in Mandarin. Really a 5th one. They call it, you don't really learn it, but you pick it up as a native Chinese speaker. They pick it up when they hear their family speaking. It's basically the same. If you had 2 of these characters, 2 of the same characters, the first one has a tone, the second one is neutral, so it doesn't really have a tone. So let's go over the characters. The first one is sweet or pleasant. Stroke 1. Stroke 2. Stroke 3. 4. 5. Sweet or pleasant. Alright. Number 2. It's not shellfish, it's shellfish. Shellfish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this last stroke is like person. So if you took the top part off, this one is the character person. It does not hook up, you know, like the last stroke doesn't do this. Alright, it has a straight line. Okay, there's a difference. So don't do that. That would be a different character. That's why I'm saying that. Alright, shellfish. 1, 2, 3, 4 strokes. Alright, next one is ominous or inauspicious. You start with the square, you start with the X on this one, but it's different with the other character. So you start with the X. Alright, you do your X. Now you go on the outside. That's 1 stroke, okay? So 1, 2 for the X. 3, 4. Ominous or inauspicious. Alright, the next one is district or area or region. This one you start on the top. First stroke. Second stroke. Third stroke. Fourth stroke. Alright. District or area or region. Character number 5 means Wormwood. Stroke 1. Stroke 2. Stroke 3. Stroke 4. Stroke 5. Alright. And the last one. In order to, because of, so 3 meanings. In order to, because of, according to. Alright. So we start with the part on the left first. It's 1 stroke. 1 stroke. Alright. 2 strokes. 3 strokes. 4 strokes. And that doesn't look quite even, does it? Okay, yeah, alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to, because of, and according to. So, I mean, I put 3 definitions there because they sound pretty much, they're very similar. Very similar meanings. Okay, guys. Alright, what is it again? Sweet, pleasant, the first character. Second one, shellfish. Third one, ominous, inauspicious. Fourth one, district, area, region. The fifth one, Wormwood. And the sixth one, in order to, because of, according to. And again, this is a phrase. It's not actually a complete sentence. It's not a complete thought. It's not a question, but it is an intro to a question. We'll get into that later. I'm sure we'll go over that in some of our, once we get to sentence structure. Alright, the next video we'll probably talk about southern food, the southern flavor, if you will, the southern cuisine. Not so specific, I'm just gonna be general to begin with. We'll go over the different regions first, and maybe, actually what I should do is I should go to the beginning of this and I just read about North China. North. The North, purple. Okay, so this is the region that they're talking about the food. The purple right here, this is the North region. So that's the top part that I just read. That's the area that we were talking about food-wise. I'm gonna double check. I want to make sure I didn't read. Yeah, northern China. All right. So it's the purple part. It's not the northeast. That's gonna fall under another section. So this purple part. Of course, they did say Beijing duck, so I should have figured that out, you know. Okay. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you learned something. Come back. Let's keep learning. All right. Hit the like button. I can't talk today. Like button. Try to say that real fast. I don't know. Maybe that's real easy for you. Maybe you said it so long that you don't even think about it. So hit the like button. Subscribe. Tell your friends. Share it with your friends, family, neighbors, your coworkers, or maybe you're a teacher. Share with your students. Maybe you're a student. Share with your teachers. Share with your the other students around you. Anyway, other than that, enjoy this hot weather if you're in the south. Enjoy the summer. Have a good one. God bless, and see you guys later. 再见.